Hello, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time since I've posted a video. If you are new here, my name is Dan. I've been on a carnivore diet since July 2023, and it's changed everything. Seems so silly. How does removing vegetables fix everything? I don't know, but it does. I used to be fat. Now I'm just a little fat. There's still some chub here. The last few pounds don't want to leave. I'm gonna have to work those off really hard. But in this video, we're going to be cooking some boiled eggs in this little egg cooker. A subscriber of mine, a friend, bought me this lovely kit. We got the hard-boiled egg maker. We got a waffle maker. I can make chaffles, carnivore version of waffles. Got the, do little egg bites, where we can do a little omelet. And this beautiful butter dish. This thing is lovely. Got my Kerrygold butter in there. So I'm excited to try these out. I'll do a little review, let you watch me go through the prep and the process, and we'll see how we like it. Stay tuned. All right, so we got our cute little egg maker, made by Dash Company. Guess you pour a certain amount of water in there, steams the eggs to a perfect cook. Then we have our pasture-raised Vital Farms eggs, the most expensive ones you can buy. I just like good eggs. We have a measuring cup, got the lines on it to tell you how far to fill up the water. Got a little pin at the bottom, so you can gotta poke a hole in the eggs apparently. So you make a hole in the large part of the egg. Down too hard, it'll crack the whole egg. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna do 3 eggs. I'm gonna go for a medium boiled egg, where the yolk is just kind of gelish. It's not quite runny, it's not quite solid. And first we gotta put some water in there. I filled it to the medium line, pour it in here. Now the device is supposed to sense when the water's evaporated completely, and then it'll chime to tell you when it's ready. Let's see how this works. It's a cute little chime it makes. Looks like our eggs are done. That was real quick. I didn't even time it. So we're gonna cold shock them. Got some ice water. Hopefully that'll make the peeling process easier. Ooh, it's hot. You don't just touch the eggs, they say. You burn yourself. Shut up. Okay, so the eggs are done bathing in ice for 10 minutes. Just gonna crack the last two here. Sometimes getting a little water in there to get underneath the membrane helps it peel easier. Tear off the egg like I'm about to do. Stay. Very easy, very nice. Don't get better than that. Ooh, it's pretty. All right. All right, let's see how they turned out. Oh, yes. Oh my gosh. That is lovely. Beautiful. So I hope you liked the video. If you did, think give me a thumbs up, a comment down below.